Welcome to the Pilates Show, where we explore Pilates tips and techniques to help deepen the skill level of the movement educator while having fun.
Hi, I'm Jen Gianni, and today we're going to talk about strengthening the grip in the hand and also tractioning the rib cage and the spine and the hips. One of the best ways to do that is on the Cadillac with our overhead bars and hanging. So this is an exercise we do all the time. It's in our traditional work, and it's something that you're probably doing with a lot of clients, but maybe not with your more beginner intermediate clients. It's still good for them to do a little bit of this. Maybe you don't keep them in this position for too long, but just experimenting with it to really get a sense of strengthening the hands and also that tractioning of the rib cage. And also we're going to do a little sequence where we're strengthening the tissue underneath our scapula and around the side of our rib cage. So here, you want them to pay attention to how they're holding onto the bar. And I want them to actually grip the bar with their thumbs, so their thumbs are underneath, and they're wrapping the hands around, creating a grip. And then it's really important for me that when they do that they try to really compress into the pinky finger side of their hand. That's really important. So keep cueing pinky finger side of their hand, hugging into the bar. And then with that, they're going to put one foot behind the spring and press into the trapeze, and the other foot is going to stay down onto the mat. So this would be more for your beginner clients. So you're gripping the bar with your pinky finger side of your hand, and you're allowing the shoulders to slide up towards the ears, letting the pelvis hang, letting the ribs traction. And then they can use the foot that's still on the floor. So on the inhale, they're going to press into both of their legs, the leg that's on the trapeze and the leg that's on the floor, sliding the shoulders down their back. And then on the exhale, allowing the shoulders to move up into their ears, tractioning the spine and the pelvis. And again, pressing into the feet and drawing the shoulders down the back, arms stay long, and then allowing the shoulders to slide back into their ears. And then you can even, if they're up for it, both feet onto the carriage and let everything hang, and then slowly bring themselves up.
That's it for today. If you have a different take on today's subject, or if there's anything you'd like to see covered in an upcoming episode, we'd love to hear from you. Comment below on Facebook, Twitter, or in the forum at fusionpilatesedu.com. See you next time, and never stop learning.